See, that way they know where it came from. All right. How are we going to do this?
No.
Soft tail.
Yeah.
Aluminum, expensive.
Yeah. God. You're going to go for it, aren't you?
Huh?
You're going for it, aren't you?
Why this band stuff we're not using?
Jesus Christ.
So it's safe, isn't it?
Yeah. Super safe.
Super sketchy. No blood.
No blood. Disappointed.
What are you going to do with it?
I don't know.
Dumbass. Between me and my machines, you know better than that.
You're killing me.
I'm going to take pictures of my back. You know it's sensitive.
I know.
Damn, that's almost as bad as that last cut. Good. Okay, all done. There you go, there's your spacer. What are you hiding behind me for?
I don't know. Waiting for a safe time to get back over here.
Yeah, get back nice and well first.
Weren't you going to make that wider?
Too late now.
Clearly.
Somebody cut it off already. Not very sharp. Not a very straight cut either. Alright. Numbers you want? Caliper.
There's one right there.
That's a bracket.
It is. Oh, that caliper.
It's a caliper.
Caliper.
I thought you meant the caliper up here on the lathe.
Oh, I didn't think about that one. Wrong caliper.
Wrong caliper. You did not need that one.
Well, one's a bracket.
So we got 82 and a half. Each time I measure it's different. So Harley's not very flat. Dial and a half different, dial different, close enough. See, that's what we're making up. 85, 86 this time. I'll take this one.
Nice shoes.
Inch and a quarter. It's inch and a quarter.
Oh, good. That's not an inch and a quarter. What are you talking about?
So right there.
Oh, you're on the wrong setting. Or something. Something happened.
136 now. You didn't go for that one?
No.
It's 124 and a half.
I don't do math well, but I know that.
Tell there's a difference?
I could tell there's a difference there.
It's funny, I bought the first version when I used to travel building greenhouses. Amazing. They were not really good risks. And now look at them now.
Oh, yeah, I love these things.
They're way better irrigation now than they were in the beginning.
Yeah.
The pants, are those
Pants?
white?
These?
Yeah.
Oh, they're like a Wrangler from Walmart.
Yeah.
Yeah, no advertising on that video.
Oh, yeah.
About the same ones.
They're comfy.
Yeah.
They're like little stretch pants.
Yeah, they have those and they also have
Okay,
like, insulated.
103.
Oh, I don't have those yet.
Yeah. Those are they come clutch.
Okay, we're like 103 right now.
Almost there.
You make this 103 right here. You cut it to the number you want. That's what it'll actually be.
So when it hits 0, that means it's where.
No,
well,
we're at 103.
okay.
We need 87, 86.
Oh.
So that's 90. And 88 and a half, 89 and a half right there.
I get it. Well,
So your cheap dial indicator becomes a valuable caliper
it does.
if you know what you're doing. We're on 90 and a half, so half a tone. Tell a difference. So maybe a little bit more. And everybody knows that light's going to know the difference between two values. Six and a half. Nice, easy insurance for your axle.
Where'd it go?
Where's your axle? Axle's more important than anyone. It's not an ask thing, it's an axle. Here's the fit.
It's a plus.
So which side is this one going on now?
Right, behind your palm.
So this goes this way.
The other way.
See, it's off a little bit. You put this down. Where's down? Where's down on this thing? Like this? What was the caliper in the air?
Yeah. Yeah, this slides into the, it's actually made into,
Must not be a soft tail.
no, it's not. It's a dyna.
No, that explains a lot. Seems to be the same height now.
That's good.
And that appears to fit on there now too. I didn't anodize the black, but that's up to you to paint it.
Oh, that's beautiful.
The groove is for getting loose if it gets tight. You can unscrew it.
Yeah, that works out even better.
That sounds good, didn't it?
It's not nice.
It's not
Good job.
on purpose. It's just,
All right.
It will work.
One, whatever this is, adapter for something. What is it, brembo?
Yeah.
Brembio,
100 millimeter.
400 millimeter. What's that in inches? Big. There you go. All right.
Mm-hmm.